Hi! Today I'm going to demonstrate a shopping planner application. The main objective of this application is to reduce the time by finding a store that carries the most items that the user is shopping for, along with showing where those items are located within the store. It has two modes, planning and shopping mode. In planning mode, the user will be able to add shopping items to the list. Items will be automatically moved into the appropriate categories. In shopping mode, the user will have an option to select the store and view the locations of the items in the store using the store layout. This helps the user find a store that carries the most items listed in their shopping list. Each store will publish their store layout and their location of items. The application uses these store layouts and plots the location of items in the shopping list. Now I will demonstrate the application. Here I have my application open. I am currently in the planning mode. I will add some items into my shopping list. So for example, I'll add eggs, milk, bread, cake, Tylenol, shampoo, AirPods, chicken, men's jean, and toilet paper. As you can see, the items have been automatically categorized into the different categories. Now, I will go into shopping mode. I can choose from different stores, so I will first look at Quick Stop. This store does not have a lot of the items I was looking for, so I will go to another store. This store has a lot of the items I was looking for, except cake, which I can pick up very easily in another store. This is my Hackathon shopping planner project. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.